All right. Good morning, everyone. How's it going? Good afternoon, good evening, good night. I don't know what time of day it is for you guys. It's Thursday for me. This will probably be uploaded on Friday or Saturday. I like to film these a few days ahead just so I'm ahead of myself. Anyways, guys, today, let me start sharing my screen with you guys before we go any further. I don't want to leave you guys out on anything I'm doing. Let's see. File, new screen recording. And we are good. So today, guys, we are looking on how to make a profitable YouTube channel. You guys are on YouTube watching this video. Guys, every single video you watch contributes to somebody creating an income for themselves. If you want to create a profitable YouTube channel, guys, watch this video, but not only watch this video, create one for yourself today. If you have a Google account, create a YouTube channel. You know, title it whatever you want. Start pumping out videos. You're going to start making money soon. Or if you don't, shoot me a message and I'll be happy to go over with you free of charge. This is a community. Or leave a comment in the comment section. I'm sure people will be able to help you out. Just make sure we got the audio here. Yep. All right. So first of all, if you guys don't know, here is my YouTube channel. I have about I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos so far, and so I'm going to go to Social Blade. That's another YouTuber that I follow. Social Blade. Let's see. Make money fast. Let's see. Can I type this in? Make money fast. I don't know if anything's going to come up here because the channel is very new. Yeah, I don't see it up yet. I think it takes a couple weeks to update. Let's just look up Jake Paul. I don't know if you guys know who Jake Paul is, but he's a popular YouTube channel. He has 579 videos, which isn't impossible. Guys, look how much he's making. $38,000 to $617,000 a month. Yeah, that's per month. It's more closer to this number. Let's look up another YouTuber. Let's look up his brother, Logan Paul. He is making approximately $493,000 a month, guys. That's over $1 million a year. That's like over $5 million a year. What am I talking about? Let's look up a smaller channel. What's a popular YouTube channel? Like a smaller one though. Let's just look up like gaming. Maybe a gaming channel will come up. How about, do you guys know who Jenna Marbles is? Maybe you guys are too young for her. Jenna Marbles. She has 390 videos. Okay, so she has a little bit less. So let's see. She makes around $24 million a month. But guys, she generates almost $100,000 a month. That's over $1 million a year. So guys, if you can create a channel, create a a niche channel, guys, you can make over $1 million a year. It's really easy, guys. I'll go over to let's see. I'm just trying to think of other YouTube people that I follow. Let's see. You know, The Rock just started a YouTube channel. Let's look at his. You know, he's a big actor, but he knows that making videos on YouTube is how to stay relevant, and he's also probably raking in some extra dough on YouTube as well. Let's see if this will load here. Sorry, I still got my other. Okay, so he makes around 1 million views a month, and he's making about $6,000 a month. What's 6,000 times 12? 72. I should know that. That's like first grade math. He makes around $72,000 a year. That's nothing for The Rock. You know, he's a multi-millionaire. But yeah, guys, yeah, like I said, around 80,000 a year. Guys, he's only making around 1 million views a month. That's pretty easy. If you guys can make a YouTube channel, make around $1 million a month. My goal with my YouTube channel is I'm trying to create about 1,000 to 2,000 videos, and that way, if they all get around 10 views a day, that's what is that? That's around like 10 to 20,000 views a day. That's kind of my goal. I'm just trying to pump out a ton of videos for you guys, tons of content. And instead of doing, once a week, I'm trying to do 3 or 4 a day. So as you can see, the first I uploaded in the past 2 days, I've uploaded 7 videos. If you guys go watch all of them, you know, that's 7 views for me. I'm gonna start raking in this dough as well. I'm gonna start making $6,000 a month. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it below. I'm gonna be making more videos on just how to find a topic for a YouTube channel. But until then, this has been another episode of Make Money Fast. All right, bye, guys.